Sometimes it all depends on the person, the place, or the situation. That's によって。Yotte means depending on or according to start with a noun. Then add ni yotte. Now the answer can change from one thing to another. 国によって文化や習慣は異なります。Cultures and customs differ. Depending on the country ものによって違うと思います。I think it depends on the item. You often hear によって with words like 違う異なる変わる The results change it depending on the now. You can even use question words like 誰どこどれだけ to show it depends. Hanasu 相手によって言葉の